Hi, it's time for math. Here we are, we're going through subtraction strategies, and we've learned all of these subtraction strategies. So now we're ready to practice using these strategies. And so let's review the strategies to start out with, and then we'll kind of talk about how you might choose what strategy is the right one for an equation. So the first one is use a picture. So remember, you draw a simple picture and cross off the ones that you're taking away. Use counters, so you'll get out something like gems or stones or coins. You'll get out however many you're starting with, right? However many is your whole. Take away some of the counters and count how many are left. Use fingers. If you're doing 6, take away 3, you'd put up 6 fingers. You'd take away 3 and count how many are left. 1, 2, 3. Count back means you'd put one number in your head. If you're doing 7 minus 3 equals 4, put 7 up in your head. You're taking away 3, put up 3 fingers, and we're going to count backwards. 7, 6, 5, 4. You're left with 4. And this one down here is use a number line. So you find the number you're starting with. In this case, it's 6. Put your finger on 6. Take away 2. Go back 1. 2 hops. The number you're left with is your answer. Okay, so those are all the different strategies that we've learned. So sometimes you might choose one or you might choose another, depending on which one seems easiest. I heard from a lot of kids when we did our check-ins that they really liked using their fingers. And using your fingers is a great one if the numbers are 10 or less. The whole that you're starting with is 10 or less. Once you get up to like 15 or 16, do you have 15 fingers or 16 fingers? You don't. So that makes that one hard once you get over 10, okay? So this one is a great one for 10 or less. If you get to bigger numbers and you're just feeling like, I'm not sure what to do, using counters or a picture are great ones because you can always go back and count and see how many little circles did you make for use a picture, right? If it's 15 minus 8, 15 circles, cross off 8. Or use the counters, get out 15 rocks, take away 8, right? These two are great ones when you have bigger numbers. If you're comfortable counting backwards, then counting back is a good one for you. Just remember that you're always putting the first number, the whole, in your head, and then making jumps backwards from there, counting backwards, however many this number is, okay? And then a number line. A number line, as high as your number line goes, like if your number line goes to 20, it's great for any number up to 20. If your number line goes to 30, it's great for any number up to 30. You just need to remember, start with this first number, and then however many you're taking away, make sure you take that many jumps, okay? Don't count the first number as one of these, otherwise your answer will be a little bit off, okay? So choose a strategy that feels right for you when you're going through your work today. You'll have different equations to solve. And you might choose a different strategy for for each different equation. It's up to you. But pick one or two that feel comfortable and really work on becoming an expert in those. So today we're doing this, which is connect 4, and it looks like this. We've done some different kinds of connect 4s at school before, so it should be something that's familiar, where you're trying to get 4 in a row that you color in or put an X on, okay? So that should be something familiar. So you'll need that. The other thing that you'll need is your envelope with the orange cards. Okay? And so here's what will happen for this project, is that you're going to practice using any strategies that you like. I'm going to put that right there. Get out. Actually, you know what? I'll get a marker real fast so that I can show you more easily. Okay, so here's what we're going to do. is that you're going to pick a card out of your envelope. Okay, let's get you a little bit closer in so maybe you can see the numbers. Okay, so pick a card out of your envelope. Okay, I picked 9 minus 2. You know what? I have enough fingers to do that one. I'm going to use my fingers. So the first thing I need to do is put up 9 fingers. 9 minus 2. And then I have to count how many are left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 9 minus 2 is 7. So I'm going to find 7 on my paper somewhere and cross it off. I think I'm going to pick this one. Okay, remember how you're trying to connect 4 of the circles in a row, 4 of those numbers in a row. Okay, I'm going to pick another card here. 9 minus 5. Again, I have enough fingers, I'll do that. 9 minus 5. Oh, I know this whole hand is 5 fingers. Take it away. And I'm left with 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Oh, there's a 4 right next to my 7. Oh, there's lots of 4s next to my 7. I'll pick this 4. Like I'm trying to go down. Let's see. 12 minus 8. Gosh, I don't have enough fingers to do 12. I think I'll get out my number line. Okay. Here's my number line. Let's do 12. Oh, minus 8. That's a lot to take away. 12 minus 8. Here we go. We're going to start. I'll put my finger on 12. And I'll have to make 8 jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 4. Okay? See, it's 4. So 12 take away 8 equals 4. That's what I got last time. Well, I know there's another one close by. See how I'm crossing off numbers that are close by, hoping that I'll get 4 in a row. 11 minus 5. I think I'll draw a picture for this one. Well, let's do 11 minus 5. So I'm going to make 11 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, 11, take away 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's see how many are left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 are left. So I'll need to cross off the number 6. Oh, there's a 6 right here, and that's close to my 4. Okay, do you get the idea of how to play this game? You'll keep picking cards, and then solve the subtraction, cross it off on your paper. When you get 4 in a row, you can say, connect 4. And then you'll keep going, see if you can get another 4 in a row. You might even play for blackout, which is when you try and fill in all the numbers. Okay? So remember, these are your strategies. Okay, think about which strategy you'd like to use for each equation that you pick. Notice that I chose different ones for different equations depending on which one seemed easier for me at the time. Okay, so go ahead, give this a go. Should be a fun one. See if you can see how many 4 in a row you can get. Okay, connect 4. Have fun.